Uses of science. Abuses of science. يؤتي الحكمة من يشاء ومن يؤت الحكمة فقد أوتي خيرا كثيرا. He gives wisdom to whom he wills, and whoever has been given wisdom has certainly been given much good. Al-Baqarah. Almighty Allah has created the man on this earth, and He has also blessed man with the knowledge of His universe. Man is always desiring to discover and reveal the secrets of this universe. Through his knowledge, he has made excellent progress in every field of life. He is mainly due to the knowledge of science. Equipped with his five senses, man discovers the world around him and calls the adventure science, ilm. Science has helped us a lot in our progress through this modern era. It is only because of science that a man which used to live in caves and eat dead animals is now living in well-constructed houses, and he eats fresh food, drinks pure water, and lives in a sterile and pure environment. Everything that distinguishes the modern world from previous centuries is attributed to science. Alexander. With the help of science, we have made some excellent discoveries in almost every field of life. In medicine, for example, today children are born in hospitals and they are vaccinated against diseases. It is only because of remarkable discoveries in the field of medicine that today the death rate is much less than the birth rate. The discovery of new medicines such as penicillin has revolutionized the healing of war wounds. With this advancement, even scientists have succeeded to find the cure of many fatal and life-threatening diseases such as AIDS and cancer. A man of science is the student of nature and derives his inspiration from science. Paul. It is not because of science that now we can stay in touch with the people across the globe. Through the internet, we can search each and everything in this world. The discovery of electricity is no doubt a marvelous achievement in the field of electronics. This electricity has made every difficult task of our present age very easy. Science without religion is lame, and the religion without science is blind. Fan. There is a countless achievements of science, and one require a lot of time to bring them on paper. Although there are advantages, but there are also vast disadvantages of science as well. Science has also been used by them for making life-threatening and mass-destructive weapons. Atom bomb is the most dangerous weapon even made by man, and this destructive weapon is also attributed to science. Modern machines of science does not isolate us from the trouble of life, but plunges us more deeply into them. Stephen. August 6, 1945 is not a day in the human history to be left untouched. It was the day when America dropped its atomic bombs over the cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This experiment was a very destructive one. It brought the World War II to an end. Nearly 140,000 people were killed in the nuclear attack. Still today, the signs of destruction are very visible and clear in these cities. Science has made us God, even before we are worthy of being men. Stephen. Today, every country is trying to make much destructive weapons as much it can. North Korea is an example of such countries which are using science only for destructive purposes. Moreover, the modern inventions like cars, aeroplanes and washing machines and much machineries has made us lazy and lethargic. Science has decreased the distance of Earth, at the same time it increased the distance between humans. Moreover, due to science, the natural cycles of death and life are being disrupted. Due to the science, man is cutting off natural habitats by making factories of several kinds, including machinery and textiles, and making luxurious houses. Despite having many advantages, science is a necessary evil. It may be both beneficial and detrimental for Earth depending upon the way we use it.